Okay, today I am making blackened catfish with a Pontchartrain sauce. So here's my catfish. I'm gonna pat it down, and then I'm going to season it. So I will these up. I'm using Cajun seasoning from Raging Cajun. I couldn't show me peppering it because I needed two hands to use the pepper mill. So anyway, I'm going to fry these for about 3 to 5 minutes till they get nice and black. And I did what I always tell you not to do. Lay them the other way from you so you don't burn yourself. 3. Anyway, there we go. So I'm going to do 3 to 5 minutes on this side, and then I'm going to flip them. And now that I have it down here, I'm going to go ahead and add more seasoning now. So both sides are seasoned. And then I will show you when I move on. You hear that sizzling? I want to show you the top of the fish. I flipped it. Look at that nice, beautiful looking fish. You know, I think you're really supposed to go a little darker than this, but hey, I think it looks beautiful, so that's what I'm going with. Anyway, I got 2 more to do when these are done, and then I will start making the Pontchartrain sauce. Alright, there we go. It looks beautiful. Fell apart as I was trying to take it out of the pan, so I went ahead and just kind of did it as halves. So that's fine. Piece it back together when we covered our Pontchartrain sauce. Right, onto the sauce. Okay, I did a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm melting 6 tablespoons of butter on top of it that I chopped up into little pieces, get it to melt faster. And this is going to start building our sauce, the Pontchartrain. Alright, I went ahead and put in half a cup of onion, white onion, and a half cup of bell peppers. We're going to let that soften up a bit, and then we're going to add some mushrooms and garlic. We'll be back, America. Alright, I added about 5 cloves of garlic, minced, and I just stirred it in. I'm going to let that go for a little while. It's it's smelling really good. Alright, I got some mushrooms in here. I am going to start chopping them up. Yeah, let them soften first. Let them soften a little bit, and then they should be easy to chop up. Get them mixed in with everything. And they're going to be yummy. Okay, being the idiot that I am, I forgot to take the stems off the mushrooms, and so it's going to be really hard to break these up. Anyway, I pulled them out. I'm going to let them cool down for a little bit and pull the stems out and throw them back in. That's going really well, so I'm going to go ahead and add the wine real quick. Alright, I got one of those little bottles of Soda Home Chardonnay. We're just going to cook it in there. Gonna let that reduce, and hopefully I can get these mushrooms back in there real quick. Stir that. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna make a nice gravy. Nice dark bit. Anyway, I did this in the same pan that I had the other thing, so I still got dark bits left over from the fish. Should all just add to the flavor. So. Alrighty. Alright, I did a little bit over a tablespoon of rice flour for my wife. So I'm going to thicken this up, and I'm going to add a cup of milk, a little bit, but first I'm going to add, as soon as I get this all kind of cooked in, I will get we'll put the crab in and some shrimp. And then we will add milk. There we go. Okay, I got a cup of crab in there. And a cup of shrimp. This is frozen shrimp that was already cooked. But then as they sell these little cups of crab over by the frozen food section. So it's like a whole lump crab, or you can get the crab claws if you want. Just get the claw part, and they range anywhere from $9 to you know, like 13, 14 bucks. So anyway, we're going to stir this up, and then we're going to add milk to get this become a more of a gravy consistency. Get that sauce going, but man, it's going to taste good. It's all cooked in good, and the fish is looking good. And I got about to put some broccoli on. So anyway, on to the next step. Okay, we are stirring away. We're going to get this thicker. It's looking good. I added some black pepper and some sea salt to it. I think I forgot to mention at the beginning of making this that I used I keep saying half, I'm sorry. I used about a tablespoon of the Cajun seasoning I used earlier. So keep it consistent. Consistency. Alright, that's what we're working on. Just gonna see. Yeah, just needs to be a little, you can see it's getting thicker. So I'll keep it going. Alright, we are going to taste. I just want to get the sauce. A lot of crab in there, you can see it. Mmm, very tasty. It's going to be awesome on fish, and you put it on the rice. I made rice too. Put it on the rice. And of course, the broccoli I have a cheese sauce for, so I don't need it for that. But that's going to be good. Anyway, I will plate up, and as soon as I can pull the broccoli off, and we will show you what's going on. Okay, here's the closing video. It's all plated up. It looks really good. Here's my rice. Here's my broccoli with cheese. I actually cooked some corn also. I had 2 pieces in the freezer just to get rid of. There's my fish, my sauce. I'm going to take a quick bite. Try to get a little bit of everything in it. Ah, look at that fish. Okay. I do close. Looks tasty. Here we go. Little bit of Louisiana in my kitchen. That tastes really, really good.
You're a smart ass, and I'm a smart ass. You're a dumb ass, and I'm a dumb ass. So just shut up and cook the damn food.